Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Fenjidrop 16x 20-inch heat press machine, 1600 watt, t-shirt printing machine, magnetic semi-automatic heat press machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include. DIY fun. With this heat press 16x20, you can start your creative work boldly and excitedly print your favorite or creative images on various items. After all, your talent deserves to leave a vivid image on the real thing. Efficient heating. This 16x20 heat press uses 6 heating tubes to heat the press together, which is better than the traditional single tube heating and reduces the temperature difference between the center and the edges for better printing results. Precise control. This heat press machine for t-shirts is equipped with an LCD digital control box that displays time and temperature, Fahrenheit or Celsius, to provide you with accurate time and temperature. With a temperature range of 32 to 392 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer range of 0 to 999 seconds, this press machine for t-shirts is ideal for a variety of printing needs. Adjustable pressure. This t-shirt printing machine has a screw for adjusting the pressure. You just need to turn the screw to adjust it and choose the most suitable pressure according to different projects. Large operating space. The 15.74 x 19.68 inches operating platform allows you to easily place most of the items you need to stamp. Plus, the pull-out design avoids the trouble caused by the small operating platform/large pattern. This auto heat press comes in multiple packages to ensure safe transportation. If you have any doubts about the product or if it does not meet or exceed your expectations, you can send us an email and we will solve the problem for you. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.